Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more content. So in this video, I will be unboxing my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm super excited. I just came home from vacation and picked it up from Walgreens. So I'm excited to unbox it. It's my first time getting a phone like as soon as it's out. You know what I mean? Like I pre-ordered and everything. So I'm super excited about that. So you know what? Let's just get straight into the video. It comes in this container right here. Well, this box rather. And now I'm just gonna open it. I like the packaging. It's very thin compared to when I got the iPhone XR or even the 8 Plus, which I have right here. Like, it's very thin compared, but that's because they don't have a lot of the stuff that they usually have. So before I open it, I just want to say that I got this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it is the 512 gigabytes. I got that many or that much gigabytes just because I wanted to have it for my YouTube videos so I could record as much as I want to. And especially when you record in 4K, it takes up a lot of space. So I wanted to make sure I have enough space on my phone, and not to mention the fact that I take tons of pictures. So yeah. I have this is also the Pacific Blue, and I have AT&T, so I have to set it up with AT&T, but I won't be showing all that in the video because it takes a lot of time. The price, guys, it's very pricey. It is $1,400, basically, not including taxes. So, but it's okay. It's an investment into my YouTube channel because that's the main reason why I got it. So, because the video quality is really good. I heard the packaging is on point. My baby. My baby! It's very, oh my goodness. No, my baby. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is it. Oh my goodness. I love my new phone. Like, I can't wait to get it all set up and everything. This is cute. I wonder if you could turn it on the same way you turn on the other iPhones. Oh, perfect. Turn it on. So guys, what comes in it is basically the USB cord. That's it. They don't give you any headphones anymore. They're trying to save the planet, so they don't give you any headphones, and they also don't give you the brick, the adapter part. What do they call it? The adapter part? I don't remember what it's called, but they don't give you that anymore, mainly because they're trying to save. And to be fair, I was mad at that at first, but I'm no longer mad because I have several pieces. Like, each time I got an iPhone, I would always keep them, so I have it regardless, so it doesn't matter to me. Yeah, why not save the planet? So it's already asking me if I want to set up my new iPhone because I just opened it. I'm gonna do like English, United States, of course. I'll just set it up with this for now. And so if you already have an iPhone, obviously you could just hold the scanner over it. It's gonna pop up and then it sets it up for you. So you save a lot of time by doing that. Then you enter your passcode. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. But guys, look at my baby. Oh my goodness. Compared to the iPhone 8 Plus or even the XR, which I'm using to record, it's like, oh. The phone just feels super different and better, I should say, compared to the XR. Like, I really like this one a lot more already. Like, I like that it's bigger. I always like the bigger phones, and so I have the Plus. I only got the XR because it was free. So yeah. So when you're setting up the phone, it asks you to choose the appearance. You could go light or dark. I'm gonna go with light for now. You could do standard or zoomed. I'm gonna do standard. And welcome to iPhone. I'm not gonna come on here and act like, oh, I'm this tech savvy person that knows all the ins and outs of the iPhone. Like, I don't. So I'm just excited about getting the new iPhone. So I just wanted to show you the quality of the camera, because that's the most important thing I'm interested in, the camera, because I want to use it to film my YouTube videos. So I'm going to record a video and I'm going to insert it so you could see the quality, and you could compare. And I'm also going to use the 8 Plus to use and record and also take a picture, and I'll insert that as well so you could see the comparison with the two phones, and you can decide if it's worth it or not. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing. Ooh, I don't like the way it's showing up all my spots and everything. It's like it's showing up all my flaws, but it's good. Yeah. Like, you know what I mean? Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm gonna insert this video. Already I could see the difference in the quality when I'm using the iPhone 8 Plus to record. It's not as bright, like the video quality compare iPhone 8 Plus. The quality for the camera quality is not good at all compared to the 12 Pro Max or the XR. Like, I feel like even the 7 is way better than the 8 Plus, to be fair. So yeah, I'm just gonna insert this video. You'll see the difference, guys. I'm gonna try with the 11, and I'll put that video here as well so you can see the quality. Like, I'm in the same location, same area and everything, so you could just compare and you could decide which phone you want to get. But yeah, so this is me recording with the 11. Okay. And a picture. Okay, I'll take a picture as well. Okay, so I'll have all these pictures and videos in the video so you guys can see. Okay, I'll take a picture. And ooh, the portrait mode is fire! I like it. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this one. Like, I can't wait to like get into it. Like, all that. Like, I want to get. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling myself. If this helps, then I'm happy it does. For me, so far, I really, 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 really like the 12 Pro Max. I like the video quality. It's like super cool, and there are a lot more features that I still have to check out. So like, if you want me to do a video with me doing all that stuff, then comment down below and let me know. I could always like show like a video with me checking out all the different modes and stuff when it comes onto the video. So like, let me know. Of course, it has the same things, like it has a time lapse, the slow-mo, video, photo, portrait, and panel. And yeah, so that's it. I haven't set it up completely, so it have the basic stuff. So guys, the phone is already set up. I think I'll do another video with what's on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, because I have to get like a lot of my apps. I'm gonna transfer all my files from my other phone, because I have like tons of pictures and videos, it will take way too long, so I can't do that right now with you guys. But yeah, it is on. It was easy to set up. I mean, iPhone is usually very user friendly, so yes. So yeah, that's it guys. I will insert the pictures and videos so you guys could see. Let me know, like, if you guys have any questions about the 12 Pro Max, you can leave them below and I'll answer them. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video of me unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I am so excited. I'm really in love with this. I can't wait to get this all protected. I ordered some stuff from Amazon because I didn't want to spend a lot of money buying it from Apple or buying it from AT&T because it's super pricey. I was looking at it and just the case was like $45 or so, when I could get a case and a screen protector on Amazon for like $30. So I did that. I usually protect my phone. I've never lost a phone due to like the screen being broken or everything. Like, even though like this screen right here is broken, it's the screen protector and not the screen, because I always have to protect my phone. So yeah, so I have to be very delicate and gentle with it until I get it. I always recommend people get stuff from Amazon for their phones instead of buying it from Apple. If you want to, then go ahead and do that, but like, it gets super pricey. If you want to save money, then I don't see why not get it cheaper. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and now I'll go enjoy my new phone. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.